Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Spiegel with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm here at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath tuckered away right in the heart of Orlando. Let's go check it out. Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family home on an oversized road in the heart of Orlando. When you first walk in this home, you will enjoy a formal dining room on the left and a bonus room on the right, which can be used for a playroom, man cave, or an office. Next, you'll find the living room, a perfect place to enjoy the scenery of the fenced yard through the sliding glass doors. Down the hallway, a full bath and 2 bedrooms make this home a perfect place for everyone. On the one side of the living room, you will find the kitchen with a breakfast space and a kitchen sink window looking out over the backyard. Past the kitchen is the large master bedroom with a full bath and a large closet. Complete with a large 2-car garage, new roof and new AC, screened-in back porch, outdoor storage, and a backyard with lush foliage, orange, pineapple, and plum trees. This cozy home is a great value in a fantastic location. Thank you so much for seeing our property here at 7017 Tallowtree Lane. Be sure to contact me, Jonathan Spiegel, the Dream Maker, to get yourself a viewing. Visit our website, orlandohomesquad.com. This is Jonathan Spiegel with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty, making dream homes a reality.